Hello again everyone. In this video we're going to go over our automated age estimation combined with our automated facial blur technology. The use case would be as follows. If you're a photography company, so you may have weddings, things like that, as well as facilitate school pictures. There you have ages and groups. So a lot of times parents may love the pictures, but they don't want you to post them on your website. You have really good assets that you want to show off to, enhance your business or drive more to your business. So you kind of on the fence with what you can display publicly on your website. So this tool would just be one, or this combination of tools would just be one way that you could use to kind of overcome that. So let's get into it. According to Fusion, the average cost of a facial recognition application is anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 USD. Now that's not adding in the fact of the blurring technology, that's just the recognition part. And here's the article. So based on these factors, we estimate the development cost of facial recognition mobile apps will range from $50 to $150. Since recognition mobile apps deal with pattern recognition, IoT, AI, and neural networks, the final cost of image recognition software solutions can also go beyond $200,000 USD. Our solution, once again, is $2,500 and it is API accessible. There's also other solutions out there that you can upload your images to their site and pay like a token-based fee or a per image-based fee. But then once again, you may be violating terms of your GDPR or whatever the region privacy laws are where you stand. So once again, that's a non-starter. So let's go into how this solution actually works. So we're going to start off with the combination of the age and the blur technology. So this is the first image that we're going to use. Obviously it's a child, so let's see what returns the blur with the image. Now we'll do image 2, which we have set here as still a small child. Once again, the blur. Do image 3, which is going to be our preteen. And that is this image. Once again, returns with the blur. Then we'll do image 4, which should be, by my age estimation, 20s, mid to late 20s. Yep, there you have it. So it just returns the age range and it doesn't actually blur the image for you to save over the current images that you may want to deploy or post on your website, things like that. Once again, this is just a solution that can kind of help to alleviate some of the data privacy and concerns that you may have. The use case we highlighted earlier was if you're a photography studio and you take school pictures, photos, things like that, maybe weddings, and you don't get the media rights consent to display these pictures of children on your websites, then this is definitely a solution that you could leverage and compound to kind of stay within compliance. So this is technically a compliant solution that can be compounded, and if you add in the toxicity checker for whatever content gets posted under those images, you should be good to go. Thank you for your time. This has been automated age estimation combined with facial blur technology by FalconsAI. 125.